Well, water kills. That's what I tell everybody every time. The police are going to be deployed there to patrol and check, especially those that are going to misuse alcohol at the drinking places, those that are going to abuse the rights of other drinking places, at the entertainment places, including the beaches. But what we are saying is, when you are drunk, don't enter the water. The beaches. When you are drunk, don't enter the water. And when you see your friend is under the influence of liquor, watch out for that person. If you do not know how to swim, don't come and practice swimming. If you are to swim, swim at the designated places. There are people traveling from elsewhere and they want to show off that they can swim. Maybe you are swimming in the Thames or in the rivers or elsewhere, but this is the sea. We are saying let us exercise caution when you come next to the water, when you come next to the sea. There are places we are not supposed to do. But we have the lifeguards, we have everybody in terms of emergency. I believe even the navies are going to deploy their own people. We have other that are responsible for water safety that are going to be there. Let us listen to them, let us respect them. The kids must not be allowed to go into the water without supervision of the parents. And even the parents, when they are happy, let us not allow them to go closer to the water.